amazing. This year, she sent me a Valentine. I miss France. Lauder just has such beautiful packaging, and Estee Lauder nailed it with the box and this box. Wow. I mean that, okay, wait, I don't want to mess this up. It's gorgeous. Okay, this is a refill. Oh my gosh, all little details. Stop it. That's incredible. The molding on that. It's almost too pretty to use. I think my mom got the color right. Such a deep berry that it almost comes off red, but it's not.
Signal things, or like if I want you to do something different, I'll be like, so we'll just use underwater stuff.
Okay.
So like when we
Dive
practice,
tactics.
yeah.